In this video, we show you how to fix when your smartphone does not charge. You connect it to the plug. You have put the correct way. The pins are okay. And still does not charge. It's not charging at all. And how to know that your battery of your smartwatch is still okay? Try to open it. You will see that the low battery logo appears. So if it has energy to show you the low battery logo appears, it means that the battery is okay. So the problem that it's not charging is probably due to the fact that the pins are not very well connected. So you see, it will show you now the low battery logo and will shut down. That's all. But still, we don't see any charging. So, take a toothpick and try to scratch this area here and make sure that there is no contamination. And if you scratch this area here, then it will start charging again. Oh my god, it's charging. I connect to the laptop and it's charging. It seems that the plug might be not working. So if it doesn't touch with the traditional plug, try a battery charger, so you can see that it's putting power and you will see that it will start charging. But when I use the power plug, it didn't work. So only like this, it was charging. So try to charge your smartwatch like this for full power and after see where the problem is, if it's the cable or if it's the power plug. So the power bank in this case works very fine. But also it's charged for a bit and after stops. That's very strange. Then in that case, try another USB port. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful.